everyone. Welcome to our Mindanao Young Leaders Dinner 2025.
And those who are new in Malacca Sisoy, welcome!
This gathering is more than just a reunion. It is a powerful space for us to reconnect and renew of our shared commitments to leadership that rooted in our culture, community wisdom, and solidarity.
We miss you, Teng!
With those challenges that we overcome, we also need to remind ourselves that we don't need to be so hard on ourselves doing this.
Inyuhang pamaagi dahil sa inyong imahan.
Ito, pag mo sa ato, nangyang kanon ka ni. Dili
We are si Randy, siya yung president ng Mindanao Resource Collectors.
Magandang umaga po.
Ito
So, recyclable siya, no? Yung plastic na yan.
Ito ma-replicate sa mga communities, malaking impact yung white bulaw. Thank you po.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Zero waste! NYLP, Salamat Turin Kalabuan Association!
physical. Anak ko, ang isa po sa
Mindanao Young Leaders, Save Watershed!
One of the community part of
Oh, sunod ayun ba? Oh, sige, batayin na siya. Nas na?